Welcome to 20942 King David Avenue. We are located in Kings Forest. This is our most recent listing here. We're going to show you guys what this is all about today in this video. We're going to be going through the property here, going through the home, as well as talking about a lot of the features and amenities of Kings Forest and the surrounding area here in a very sought after part of Bend. Kings Forest in Southeast Bend. Let's get after it right now.
If this is your first time on the channel and you'd like to know everything there is to know about eating, sleeping, living, playing, the good and the bad of Bend, Oregon and the surrounding areas, subscribe to the channel, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about what's going on here in Bend, Oregon. My name is Zach Nutter. This handsome fella next to me is Ryan Rudloff, and we have lived here in Bend for over 30 years and we absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd love to connect with you, help you make the smooth move here to Bend. That being said, we are going to cruise through that front door, show you the interior of this property, and then we're going to show you the amazing backyard. As you can see, there are tall, old growth ponderosa trees all around. There's all kinds of beautiful trees. You get a lot of deer and animals that come through here. This is an amazing neighborhood. So we're super excited to show you this house. Let's get to it.
I can remember Kings Forest going back all the way to elementary school and junior high school. I had friends living in this subdivision, and here it is still today. But now it's becoming more and more central as Bend continues to grow outwardly to the east and to the south. Zach, what do we really know about Kings Forest?
So Kings Forest was developed in kind of the late 70s, 80s, 90s, and up until in the late 90s, this was actually part of the county. So it wasn't until almost year 2000 that this actually was incorporated into the city, which is crazy to think now because it seems so central at this point. I mean, they're building Oregon's largest master plan development, Stevens Ranch, just on the other side of this neighborhood right now. So you get this unique feature where you have these houses in the middle of the town that have these beautiful trees, big lots. Usually the closer you get into town, you start seeing those smaller lots, houses kind of crammed in together. That's what makes this neighborhood so unique. So we're super excited to show you inside, and then we'll go in the backyard and show you guys all around.
Let's go check it out.
Check it out. All right, so this house is, we already talked about the address. It's 20942 King David Avenue. It's 1,990 square feet. It's on 0.16 of an acre. It's 3 beds and 2.5 baths.
Currently listed for $879 right here in Kings Forest. And so what we did, we walked through this entire floor plan here, 1,990 square feet. And then on top of that, we haven't been out back yet, but a 0.6 acre lot. And that's what makes Bend so unique in certain spots, is the fact that you can find subdivisions that are becoming more and more central as Bend continues to grow, and yet you feel right in the middle of town on a larger lot. And that's very unique about this subdivision.
Absolutely. Some of the awesome features about this place are beautiful solid surface countertops, these fantastic cabinets everywhere. It's very clean. It's been completely remodeled. You look outside and every window you look from, you see these beautiful trees everywhere. All the walls are, it's very, would you call it contemporary? It's kind of like it's got a contemporary feel. It's got these amazing shutters all throughout the house that actually the bottom portion shuts and then the tops can stay open if you want some extra daylight. They've got solar tubes. There's just so much stuff that's well thought out in here. You can see all the beautiful new stainless steel appliances. It's got great garage space. It's got new floors, like everything. It just feels very fresh and new in this house.
Totally does. And ultimately speaking, we're talking about the house itself, but also where it sits in terms of its location in Bend. Southeast portion of Bend right now is really blossoming. There's a lot of new construction and new development going on in this particular area of town. We've got a newer high school, Caldera High School. It is only about 4 years old. We've got a brand new park over there just down the road from where we're at right now. It's called Alpenglow Park. That's 35 acres. There are multiple other subdivisions that are new that are developing their properties right now as we speak. So Kings Forest is going to be sitting right in the thick of everything as time continues to go on. And we haven't even talked about what's further east yet too, which is Stevens Ranch and a brand new 100,000 square foot library.
$200 million library, if you can believe that. That area is proposed, it has a proposal for a bunch of mixed use commercial around it as well. It's one of the largest master plan developments in Oregon's history.
Right.
So this used to be in the county. So this was kind of the most eastern portion of Bend. And then now this is kind of smack dab almost in the middle. We're the southeast side, but they're building this huge development on the other side of us here that's gonna be phenomenal for having just accessibility to things. They also put the Cascade Lakes Brewery not far away. We are probably from here about 20 minutes to the airport. If you travel a lot for work or anything like that, good access to the airport. You're 10 minutes to downtown, 10 minutes to the Old Mill District. So you're in a very good spot in town. You can get east, west, north, and south from here very easily. If you're going to Lapine or Redmond, both easily accessible from this location. And what makes this neighborhood so unique is that new construction, they just don't build them like this anymore. They don't put houses on over a half of an acre land anymore. It's not really feasible for the builder, and there's just not that much space. So you're seeing a lot of, houses with really small backyards, side yards, which is great for some people. But if you want some space and some privacy from your neighbors, this house has that. It's just such a phenomenal yard. You feel like you get to stretch out a little bit. So we really enjoy this place.
Totally.
Let's go show them the
Let's
backyard.
go check out the backyard,
yeah. I just saw some deer back there not too long ago. Hopefully they're still hanging out.
Sweet, let's go check it out.
This place is amazing. So it's got great grass, but you look at these beautiful towering pine trees that you have. It just feels very spacious back here. It's a ton of space. Like we said, there were some deer coming through here earlier. There's just, I mean, you just don't find this many places. The house was built, what do we say, what was the year it was built?
78.
1978.
This is the yard right here. You have space in between your neighbors and you have these towering trees. And so you feel like you have plenty of privacy, which you do because you have so much space in between the next lot and the next home over. It's, for the most part, it's fenced back behind us. And then there's a little opening over here. If we pan over, you get to see on both sides, it kind of opens up. And so you've got great landscaping all around the backyard here, as well as this fantastic patio area over here to enjoy some sunshine.
So we were talking about the neighborhood. Currently, there are no active homes on the market here in Kings Forest other than our home. We are listed at $879,000. Again, wanted to talk about the lot size. A lot of houses that are similar square footage to this in other neighborhoods with small lots are going to be listed in that high $700,000 to $800,000 range. With this house, you get a completely remodeled home, but you also get this huge lot, which I think in today's current market for Bend, it's a pretty awesome listing here that we have.
Totally. Having a single level home, larger lot in a central location, especially one that's really seeing a lot of new attention right now, as well as what's coming over the next several years. This puts this spot in a very, very competitive location in a very prime area that's going to just grow and become a better location as time goes on.
Yeah, and they're not building any more land, so finding big lots like this in Bend that has, you know, some of this newer construction, you're just not going to find it. So it's very unique. It's an awesome space. We're so thankful for you guys watching. Thank you for continuing to watch our videos. We are so thankful for you guys. We're getting to meet more and more of you guys every day. We were fortunate enough to put a contract from YouTube under contract today, our client under contract today, which we are super excited about. We love working with you guys. We're so thankful for you guys. Thank you for continuing to watch.
Thank you guys, and as always, if it's your time to reach out, it starts with you. You can call us, text us, email us, set up a Zoom call, or if you're local, we'll go get coffee somewhere. We can discuss your situation to figure out what the next course of action should be for you.
Thank you guys.
Thanks guys, have a great day.